How did you find the process of 2D to 3D?
We sent off our floor plans that the builder had provided us.
And within a few days, we had our model.
It was even quicker than that, like 24 hours, 48 hours it turned around.
And yeah, we were just able to log on pretty much straight after that.
Yeah, you log on, you have the option to, you have your avatar in the house, you can walk through, you can meet people there.
How has the process been between yourself, the architect, and now a builder?
Yeah.
With using this product?
One of the biggest things from an architect perspective is we were originally presented with the architect's kind of vision. I think it's very hard to be on board with it. I think we were actually quite shocked originally when we
like what their vision versus
what our vision is. And it's sort of like this different thing, and so it really helped us to just understand kind of what they were sort of talking about. The other thing that was really cool was that when we first got it, our architect logged in with us. They were walking through the property with us,
and so you could like meet them on site.
And so we were like pointing out sort of like, we think this space needs to be a little bit different.
Can you tell us about the experience in VR?
Yeah, so I actually just tried the VR for the first time. We've got so many areas in our house where, especially the height is a big factor of the ceilings and the walls and whatnot. And I just saw them for the first time in real life and actually could see how much bigger they were than me in real life, which was really cool. Honestly, it just it takes you there, it transports you.
It's so real, hey? It's so real.
I thought my house was built and it's 12 months in advance.
Yeah.
Is this something that you would recommend?
We would absolutely recommend it. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend it to anyone doing it the first time, Like we spoke about cost saving, we're talking insignificant. The cost for us was quite small, especially the 2D to 3D model. We've probably found maybe 10 to 15 variations. Easily. And in our contract, I think it was about $500 per variation.
Flat fee of $500 plus the actual cost on top of that.
So
of what it is to change. So that's just the administration.
And so the initial outlay compared to being happy with the result is just insignificant.
And the time and stress that it saved us and having to deal with one of these problems down the line.
And it gives you confidence in that, what the space is actually going to be, and you know what to expect and that kind of thing. So.